morning, good morning. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Andito kami sa baba. Naglalaro ang anak ko dyan. Friday ngayon kaya walang gaanong mga sasakyan. Ayan, tahimik dito sa kalsada. Mag-aalas 7 pa lang ng umaga. Ayan po dito. So, ayan ang view po dito. So, ayan. Ayan kami. Anak ko. Ayan, dito. Ayan yung ano umaano pa lang, lumalabas pa lang si Haring Araw. Ayan. May anak ko nag-i-skateboard. Ayan si Haring Araw, lumalabas na siya. Tapos ayun yung sasakyan na naglilinis ng kalsada. Ayan. Ma, come here. Come. Maglakad-lakad sa umaga. Ayan. Ayan. Ito, construction. Ayan. May ginagawang building dyan. Careful.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A
Nagtatambay lang.
modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
Bayaran
and make a
rin.
statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ayan, mag-walking. Maglakad-lakad. Ayan, mga bagong apartment dito. Mami, it's typing, but it's still not open.
Oh yeah, we need to visit him.
See, there is road here.
Want to go?
There's new apartments.
There's nice rocks.
Good Shepherd. Typing also. Food stuff, but it's still not open.
What food stuff?
The same that supermarket there.
There's going to be another supermarket.
Ayan, ang ganda po dito maglakad-lakad. Kasi ganito oh, walang mga sasakyan, walang mga katao-tao pa kasi Friday po ngayon. Ang ganda ng mga bato dito oh. Talagang tinambakan nila dito ng itim na bato sa harapan ng bagong apartment. Ayan. Ayan, nandito po tayo sa malapit sa sa boundary ng Oman. So, galing kami doon. Naglakad kami papunta dito. Friday po ngayon kaya walang gaanong mga sasakyan. Mga tulog ang mga tao. Ayan, yung kabila po niyan, yung bakod na yan, kabilang karsada. Oman na po yan. Ayan, ang boundary po ay doon. Nandoon ang gate. Boundary ng United Arab Emirates at Oman.
They're still there.
Ayan, si Haring Araw. Lumabas na siya. Ayan, maganda maglakad-lakad hanggang doon, kaya lang malayo na. Dito lang kami sa malapit. Dati hanggang doon kami naglalakad. Doon sa mga building na yon. Sa kabila ng mga building na yan, may mall dyan. Shopping mall. Ito yung karsada. Papunta sa Al-Ain City. Ayan, papunta doon ang Al-Ain City. At dito naman, papunta doon ay papunta ng Dubai. Ayan. At dito, sa kabila ng bakod na yan, ay Oman na po yan. Yung mga bahay na yan sa kabila ay sakop na ng Oman po yan. Ayan. Ito naman, Al-Ain. Ayan, Al-Ain United Arab Emirates. Sakop ng Abu Dhabi. United Arab Emirates. Ayan po. So, ayan. Ayan kami. Ayan kami. Ikot-ikot lang. Let's go back, Mama. Ayan. Pabalik na kami doon.
Sorry ass DJ.